This is immigration attorney Parviz Malakouti. What happens when you submit an immigration application to USCIS, you get a biometrics notice, but the date they gave you for those biometrics are not good for you. They stink. You're pregnant, you're traveling that day, whatever, you have an obligation, you absolutely cannot make it that day. What do you do? Well, there's a few things that you can do, okay? First is you can write in and you can ask to have your biometrics appointment postponed. You can ask to have it be pushed back, okay? That works sometimes. The other thing you can do is you can take your biometrics notice appointment and you can try to walk into the place that you're scheduled for biometrics armed with a good reason as to why you cannot get there on that date, okay? Now, this is, something that sometimes works, sometimes it doesn't work, but if you're into it, if you're willing to spend the time, you can give it a shot. Now, what's a good reason? What's a reason that works? It's gonna depend on the different biometrics, facilities. Some might take one reason, some might not. There's discretion that's involved. Pregnancy is a good reason. I've had 2 clients that were pregnant. The time that they were scheduled to go in for biometrics was around their due date. They didn't want to wait for that. So they went in, big belly, they had their biometrics notice appointment. Both of them were admitted early in order to take their biometrics notice. The point is that whatever reason it is that you can't make it to the biometrics appointment they've scheduled for you, come armed with that documentation when you go early and see if you can put on a smile, a happy face, charm your way in. It does work sometimes, okay? So that's my tip for today. If you need to reschedule your biometrics, either you send a letter to ask for it to be set out earlier, or take your biometrics to notice, go in person, see if you can get that rescheduled. I hope that helps. If you have any general questions, put them in the comment section below. If you have any specific questions, if you need to go over your situation, click on the link below and book a consultation. Have a great one.